Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. In settings, go to sounds and vibration. In sounds and vibration, okay, you can see the ringtone. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the ringtone. Here in ringtone, okay, you can see the SIM 1 and SIM 2 ringtone. And okay guys, for my example, I changed the SIM 1 ringtone. Okay, tap the SIM 1. And SIM 1, okay, now here, there are option of ringtone here. And you can select the ringtone you want to change to your SIM 1. Okay, for my example, I select the reflection. Okay, tap the reflection. And okay guys, after you select the reflection, go back and we have successfully changed the ringtone on my Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.